Imam Hussan ibn Ali, R.A. Born 625 CE, Medina, Saudi Arabia. Parents: Ali ibn Abi Talib, first Shia Imam, and Fatima, daughter of Prophet Muhammad. Brother: Imam Hussain, third Shia Imam. Family: Ahlul Bayt, Prophet Muhammad's household. Characteristics: courageous, wise, and compassionate. Strong sense of justice and righteousness. Leader and guide for the Muslim community. Symbol of peace and reconciliation. Life events. Participated in the Battle of Siffin alongside his father, Ali ibn Abi Talib. Became the second Shia Imam after Ali's martyrdom. Signed the Treaty of Hassan with Muawiyah, temporarily ending the conflict. Poisoned and martyred in 670 CE, 50 AH. By Muawiyah's agents. Legacy. Important figure in Shia Islam, revered as a martyr and imam. Symbol of peace and reconciliation. Commemorated annually during Muharram and Safar. Quotes: I am the son of the Prophet, and I will not abandon my religion. Peace is better than violence. I prefer to die with dignity rather than live with humiliation.